Ready to transform your relationship with money? The book, Your Money or Your Life, by Vicki and Joe Dominguez, reveals how aligning your finances with your values can unlock freedom, fulfillment, and lasting financial independence. Let's dive into how this 9-step program can change the way you live and spend. Calculating net worth and life energy. The first step in Your Money or Your Life is foundational. Getting a clear picture of your finances by calculating your net worth and, more importantly, understanding the concept of life energy. The authors redefine how we think about money by linking income directly to the time and energy spent earning it. Life energy represents the hours of effort, stress, and commitment you exchange for every dollar. This framing encourages readers to assess if the money they earn is worth the life energy expended and motivates them to seek ways to maximize both earnings and personal fulfillment. This step helps readers recognize the true cost of their lifestyle decisions. It pushes them to ask deeper questions such as, is my job worth the energy I spend doing it? Am I getting paid enough for my time? The insight that each dollar represents time, a finite resource, creates a mental shift, leading individuals to reconsider unnecessary purchases or career choices that don't align with their goals. It's about seeing every expenditure as part of a trade-off with your life. This perspective can be transformative, as it brings clarity to the importance of aligning work with personal values and finding a balance between earning, saving, and spending time meaningfully. Tracking expenses monthly. The next essential step is meticulously tracking every dollar spent on a monthly basis. and Dominguez argue that this practice isn't just about budgeting, it's about awareness. When readers start documenting their spending, they uncover patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. Expenses that seem small, daily coffees, subscriptions, impulse buys, can accumulate into significant amounts over time. This step empowers readers to take control of their financial habits by seeing where their money actually goes. Tracking expenses also encourages accountability. Many people assume they know how much they spend until they start writing everything down. The act of logging each purchase reveals both intentional and mindless spending behaviors. For example, it can expose overspending on convenience items, dining out, or subscriptions that add little value. The key takeaway is that small expenses, if left unchecked, can derail long-term financial goals. and Dominguez emphasize that this process isn't about guilt, but rather about gaining clarity and identifying opportunities to reduce waste while still enjoying life. Evaluating spending based on fulfillment. A key theme throughout the book is the idea of aligning spending with personal values. In this step, readers are encouraged to assess whether each expense brings them genuine fulfillment or simply serves as a reaction to societal expectations or short-term gratification. and Dominguez introduce the concept of fulfillment curves, helping readers recognize when spending reaches a point of diminishing returns, where additional consumption no longer contributes to happiness. Evaluating spending based on fulfillment promotes a shift away from consumer-driven behavior toward intentional living. It invites readers to ask questions like, does this purchase truly add value to my life? Is it aligned with my goals and priorities? This process encourages people to differentiate between needs and wants and to focus on the things that matter most. For some, it might mean prioritizing experiences over material goods. For others, it could involve focusing on health, relationships, or personal growth. This approach fosters a sense of freedom by helping individuals break free from the societal pressure to keep up with certain lifestyles. It shifts the narrative from how can I afford this, to do I even want this? By making spending intentional, readers begin to enjoy what they have rather than constantly seeking more. The emphasis on fulfillment also helps build financial resilience as people become less dependent on consumption for happiness, reducing the emotional triggers that lead to overspending. Calculating net worth and creating a crossover. Point one of the pivotal concepts in the book, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez, is the idea of the crossover point. The moment when income from investments surpasses monthly expenses, marking the achievement of financial independence. Robin and Dominguez emphasize the importance of tracking both expenses and passive income streams to visualize this transition. The crossover point gives readers a tangible goal to work toward, reinforcing that financial independence is not about hitting a specific savings number, but about balancing income and outgoings. The act of tracking passive income and expenses on a chart creates motivation, as readers can witness the gradual alignment of both lines over time. This visualization demystifies the idea of early retirement or financial independence, making it feel achievable through consistent progress. It helps people realize that financial independence is not a distant dream, but a milestone they can build toward with small, intentional steps. Developing a savings mindset. Another transformative aspect of the book is the shift toward a savings mindset. For Robin and Dominguez, savings represent more than just financial security. They symbolize freedom. By building robust savings habits, individuals can reduce financial anxiety, plan for unexpected events, and ultimately buy back control over their time. This habit is framed not only as a means to prepare for emergencies, but as a crucial tool for achieving financial independence. The book encourages readers to treat savings like an essential bill, something that must be paid each month without fail. It challenges the consumerist mindset that suggests people should spend whatever remains after expenses, and flips the formula. Save first, spend what's left. This consistent focus on savings helps readers break free from paycheck to paycheck living. The authors provide practical advice on automating savings, which eliminates decision fatigue and ensures that progress toward FI is uninterrupted, even when life gets busy. Robin and Dominguez also stress that developing a savings mindset is not about deprivation, but about making deliberate choices. They encourage readers to align spending with personal values, thereby reducing the temptation to spend impulsively. This approach not only increases savings, but also fosters a sense of fulfillment by focusing on what truly matters. The cumulative effect of these small savings decisions accelerates the journey to financial independence and helps readers build long-term financial resilience. Investing in low-risk strategies. When it comes to investing, Robin and Dominguez advocate for simple, low-risk strategies to build sustainable wealth. Their approach emphasizes the use of index funds, investment vehicles that mirror the performance of entire markets and offer broad diversification at low cost. The book's investment philosophy aligns with its overall theme of simplicity. Focus on steady, predictable growth rather than chasing high-risk opportunities. The authors argue that low-risk investments like index funds reduce the stress and uncertainty often associated with investing. Index funds eliminate the need to pick individual stocks or time the market, two behaviors that frequently lead to losses for inexperienced investors. By taking a passive, long-term approach, readers are encouraged to let their investments grow quietly in the background while they focus on other aspects of life. Robin and Dominguez also emphasize the importance of compounding returns over time. By investing regularly and reinvesting dividends, individuals can harness the power of compound interest to grow their wealth exponentially. This steady accumulation of wealth brings readers closer to their crossover point, reinforcing the connection between savings, investing, and financial independence. Another key point in the book is risk management. The authors caution against speculative investments, such as cryptocurrency or penny stocks, that promise high returns but come with significant risk. Their focus on low-risk, long-term strategies ensures that readers can achieve FI without jeopardizing their financial security. By keeping investments simple and predictable, individuals are more likely to stay the course and reach their financial goals. Reducing debt and living below your means. Robin and Dominguez provide practical and sustainable strategies for reducing debt, emphasizing that living within or below one's means is essential for long-term financial freedom. The book encourages readers to take an honest look at their debt and develop repayment strategies that fit their circumstances. Practical tips, such as prioritizing high-interest debts and eliminating non-essential expenses, form the foundation of their debt reduction plan. The authors highlight that financial independence is not achievable while being weighed down by unnecessary debt. They encourage readers to make lifestyle changes that are both meaningful and sustainable, such as cooking at home instead of dining out, buying used items, and minimizing recurring bills. The goal isn't deprivation, but adopting a frugal lifestyle that aligns with personal values, helping readers cut costs without sacrificing happiness. This approach empowers readers to see debt repayment not as a burden, but as a step toward freedom. The process also builds financial discipline, a habit that continues to pay off well after debt is eliminated. Tracking progress toward financial independence. One of the pillars of Your Money or Your Life is the importance of regularly tracking progress. The authors stress that financial independence requires ongoing monitoring to ensure that readers remain aligned with their long-term goals. By creating monthly reports, readers can see how their financial habits evolve over time and adjust as needed. These monthly reviews help identify both successes and areas for improvement, reinforcing positive behaviors like consistent savings and intentional spending. Tracking progress also serves as motivation. Watching debts shrink, investments grow, or expenses decrease provides tangible evidence of progress, making the journey toward financial independence feel achievable. Regular monitoring prevents complacency and ensures that readers remain intentional with their financial decisions, staying on track even when life presents challenges. Embracing purpose and fulfillment. The final step in the journey outlined by Robin and Dominguez shifts the focus from merely accumulating wealth to living a life of meaning and fulfillment. The book reinforces that financial independence is not an end goal in itself, but a tool for personal freedom. Once readers reach a point where money no longer dictates their decisions, they are encouraged to explore what brings them joy and purpose. The authors ask readers to reflect deeply on what they want their lives to look like, urging them to pursue activities, hobbies, or work that align with their passions and values. This shift from accumulating wealth to embracing fulfillment ensures that financial independence isn't just about avoiding work, but about gaining the freedom to engage in meaningful pursuits. Whether it's spending more time with family, volunteering, pursuing creative passions, or traveling, the goal is to design a life that reflects what truly matters. Now let's wrap up the review on the book Your Money or Your Life by Vicki, Robin, and Joe Dominguez that offers a transformative framework for achieving financial independence through its 9-step program. This structured approach encourages readers to move beyond conventional personal finance strategies, focusing instead on intentional living, mindfulness, and aligning financial habits with life values. Each step is designed to foster awareness, discipline, and purpose, helping individuals reclaim control over both their money and time. The first few steps of the program lay a critical foundation by reframing how people view money through the lens of life energy. By calculating net worth and associating income with the time and effort spent earning it, readers gain insight into the true value of their work. This shift in mindset sets the stage for thoughtful financial decisions, encouraging a departure from impulsive consumerism and guiding individuals to question whether their spending aligns with what truly brings fulfillment. Tracking every dollar spent on a monthly basis adds another essential layer of awareness. This habit helps individuals uncover hidden spending patterns and ensures they remain on track with their long-term goals. Tracking is not merely about frugality, but about intentionality, understanding how money flows in and out, and aligning these flows with deeply held values. This method empowers readers to move toward financial clarity, making small but impactful changes that gradually reduce unnecessary expenses. The program emphasizes the importance of developing a savings mindset that extends beyond emergency funds to encompass freedom-building savings. Robin and Dominguez encourage readers to think of savings not as an afterthought, but as a fundamental habit that brings both financial security and personal autonomy. Savings offer the flexibility to take risks, explore passions, or weather life's uncertainties. This philosophy shifts the focus from accumulating wealth for its own sake to building a safety net that buys back time and opens the door to new opportunities. Central to the journey toward financial independence is the crossover point, the moment when income from investments exceeds monthly expenses. This concept provides a tangible goal and demonstrates that financial independence is not about reaching a magic number, but achieving a balance where work becomes optional. By visualizing progress toward this milestone, readers remain motivated throughout their financial journey. The program encourages low-risk, long-term investments such as index funds, focusing on stability and simplicity to ensure sustainable growth. Debt reduction plays a crucial role in the program, as debt limits financial freedom and adds emotional stress. Robin and Dominguez provide practical strategies for eliminating debt through frugal living and intentional spending. Living below one's means is not presented as a sacrifice, but as a deliberate choice that reduces dependence on income and accelerates progress toward independence. This approach cultivates a sense of empowerment, helping readers find satisfaction in simplicity and aligning spending with personal priorities. The final steps of the program emphasize fulfillment and purpose. Once financial independence is achieved, the focus shifts from wealth accumulation to designing a meaningful life. This stage reinforces that financial independence is not the end goal, but a tool for personal freedom, allowing individuals to engage in activities that resonate with their passions, values, and relationships. Whether it's volunteering, traveling, or pursuing creative projects, the program encourages readers to live authentically, freed from financial constraints and societal expectations. In conclusion, Your Money or Your Life delivers a powerful framework for anyone seeking freedom from the traditional work, consume, retire cycle. Through the 9-step program, readers learn to reframe their relationship with money, develop sustainable financial habits, and embrace a lifestyle focused on fulfillment. This book empowers individuals to take control of their financial future while living intentionally and meaningfully along the way. Whether just starting their financial journey or nearing retirement, readers will find the program's principles both practical and transformative, offering a clear path to lasting financial freedom. If this resonates with you, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more insights and reviews on personal finance and intentional living.